If you've dreamed of creating an online course that sells itself daily on autopilot, then get ready to turn that dream into a reality. Today, I'm revealing the ultimate shortcut to creating a digital course in just one weekend and leveraging it to build your email list and drive automated sales. I've personally used this strategy to bring in over 131 new customers in the last 30 days who I do not know and have never spoken to on social media, and I've been able to do this without fake engaging or sending DMs. And I can't wait to show you how to do the same. We've got a lot to cover, so let's get into it. My name is Jordan Maylea, and I grew my online business from scratch to consistent 20K months in just 90 days. And today I run a global brand that's done over 7 figures in sales. I'm here to give entrepreneurs like you the blueprint to grow your audience and automate your sales so you can build a profitable personal brand that works for you 24/7 so you don't have to. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. I put out brand new videos on this channel every week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training I release. Welcome back to the final part of our 4-part social media sales automation series. Over the last 3 episodes, I've been breaking down my exact system for how to generate consistent automated sales on social media. If you missed any of the first videos in the series, I've linked them below so you can check them out. We have covered so much over the last few weeks, but there's only so much I can share in short videos like this. That's why I'm excited to announce my brand new 3-day social media sales automation workshop. Give me 3 days and I will show you step by step how to transform your social media content into a marketing machine that delivers you leads and sales 24/7 without posting more, engaging for hours, or sending cold messages to strangers on the internet. You can get all the details and reserve your free seat at globalfreedomcommunity.com/workshop. Today though, we are diving into how to create what I call a micro course in a single weekend and sell it on autopilot. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of creating a micro course in a weekend, let's understand why this strategy is a game changer for online entrepreneurs like you. A micro course is a compact but potent educational experience that aligns with your niche and serves as a stepping stone to your main signature offer, whether it's a bigger course, a coaching program, a service, or anything else you want to sell or recommend. By creating a micro course, you establish yourself as an authority in your field and provide tangible value to your audience. And by funnelizing this course, you can use it to generate daily sales on autopilot, whether you're working or not. The beauty of a micro course lies in its efficiency. In just one weekend, you can develop targeted, valuable course content that addresses a specific problem your audience faces. So if you're eager to position yourself as an expert, build highly engaged email list, and lay the foundation for automated sales, this is your golden ticket for success. First, let's dive into actually creating your course. A micro course is not just a random collection of lessons. It should be strategically designed to align with your niche and complement your main signature offer. Take the time to research and identify the most pressing pain points your target audience faces. Understanding their needs and desires will enable you to craft a micro course that resonates deeply with them. Start by outlining the specific learning objectives and outcomes that you want your learners to achieve by the end of your course. Focus on a single, well-defined topic that provides a transformative experience, and avoid overwhelming your learners with too much information. Instead, keep it concise and to the point. Utilize different formats to deliver the content effectively. Videos are great for explaining complex concepts, while worksheets and quizzes encourage active participation and they reinforce learning. Interactive elements like polls or discussion forums can also enhance engagement. When developing your micro course, draw from your expertise and experiences. Share personal stories and case studies to make the content relatable and showcase your authority in the subject matter. And remember, the goal is to provide tangible value that leaves your learner eager to take action. Once your course is created, the next step is to create a valuable free lead magnet that attracts potential customers to your email list. If you need more ideas on this, be sure to check out episode 2 in this series, where I share 9 irresistible lead magnet ideas you can use. A lead magnet acts as a magnet that attracts potential customers to your email list. To entice your audience to sign up for your micro course, create a free lead magnet that aligns seamlessly with the course content. Start by identifying a specific aspect or problem addressed in your micro course, and develop a downloadable resource like an ebook, a checklist, or a mini guide that complements the micro course's theme. The lead magnet should provide valuable insights and quick wins to leave your audience hungry for more, And you can design visually appealing lead magnet materials that capture attention. Invest time in creating a professional looking cover or graphic that represents the lead magnet's value. And then use persuasive copy to communicate the benefits of downloading that resource and how it addresses your audience pain points. Incorporate social proof into your lead magnet promotion to build credibility. You can share testimonials from satisfied people who have benefited from the resource, which demonstrates that others have found value in your lead magnet, and that encourages more signups. Promote your lead magnet across your social media platforms and other marketing channels by creating engaging posts that highlight its unique features and the value it provides. As a general rule, I like to use my lead magnet as the call to action in 80% of my social media posts. Once your lead magnet is proven and profitable, consider running targeted ads to reach a broader audience and capture more leads even faster. Finally, it's time to connect your micro course to your lead magnet. And when you do this right, you'll convert 10 to 15% of your cold leads into customers instantly and automatically. This strategy is often referred to as a tripwire, which is a low-priced, high-value offer that acts as a stepping stone to your main signature offer. In the context of creating a micro course, your tripwire is the opportunity for learners to enroll in the course at a special discounted rate after opting in to the lead magnet. The idea behind the tripwire is to capitalize on the momentum and excitement generated by the lead magnet. Since your lead magnet addresses a specific pain point, learners who download it are more likely to be interested in the micro course, which offers a deeper exploration of that topic. Offer your micro course at a limited time discounted price to create a sense of urgency. Scarcity tactics like mentioning limited spots available or a countdown timer encourage learners to take immediate action to secure the price of that offer. You can use persuasive copy that emphasizes the benefits of enrolling in that course and highlight unique features like lifetime access to the content or additional bonuses to make it even more compelling. By connecting your micro offer to your lead magnet as a tripwire, you not only enhance the perceived value of the course, but you also open up opportunities for upselling. Once they experience the quality and value of your micro course, people will be more receptive to exploring your main offer, which results in increased conversions and sales. Creating a micro course in a weekend and leveraging it to build your email list and drive automated sales is a transformative strategy for online business owners. Not only do you create your powerful lead magnet, but the micro course helps attract learners and establishes your expertise in your niche. By aligning your micro course with your niche and your main signature offer, you provide targeted, actionable value to your audience. Crafting a free lead magnet that complements that micro course allows you to capture the attention of potential learners and build your email list effectively. Connecting the micro course to the lead magnet as a tripwire creates a seamless customer journey, enticing learners to take the next step in their learning process. By leveraging scarcity and persuasive messaging, you can drive conversions and upsell your main signature offer, leading to sustainable business growth. I know this has been a lot, and I would love the opportunity to take you by the hand and walk you through my entire sales automation system inside my 3-day social media automation workshop. This live 3-day event is completely free, and inside I'm going to show you how to go from social media nobody with no audience, no influence, to the go-to expert in your industry. I'm going to show you how to turn cold leads into hot sales on autopilot instantly and automatically without launching, Zoom calls, or sending cold messages. And this works for the tripwire strategy we just discussed, but I'll also be sharing how to do this with any offer, big or small, that you want to sell. Finally, on day 3, we're going to talk about how to combine all the strategies in the workshop to create your automated profit system so that you can hit your first 20K month. This workshop is following the exact system I followed to go from no sales to consistent 20K months in 90 days, and you can reserve your seat at globalfreedomcommunity.com/workshop. All right, that's all I got for now. Don't forget to check out this playlist if you missed any of the other videos in our social selling series, and hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss the next free video that we publish on this channel. Don't forget also, reserve your seat for the workshop, and I cannot wait to see you there.